live on Facebook.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Who is there?
Tushita.
Hare Krishna Tushita. Sorry, I'm not even looking at the Zoom screen. That's why I'm not able to say who it is. Okay. Shall we get started?
Tushita.
Sorry, I'm not even looking at. Okay. Okay. Hare Krishna Vrinda. Where are you?
I'm in my garden.
Nice garden.
Mama's actually sad, but she was doing a race with me, but she was feeling sad because I won. So I tried to stop making her feeling sad. So I said I'll just go walking.
Ah, okay. Okay.
Because it's a running race.
Very nice. Hare Krishna, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us. Very happy to see you all here. So let's get started with the Dhamma. Start with our prayers. All together. Om Jnana Timirandasya Jnananjana
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama Rama, Hare Hare,
Shall we chant story? Mayuk wants to chant some more. Very nice. You are all so enthusiastic. It's very nice to see you all chanting. Happy to chant with you. Right, Balavendra?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Balavendra. Okay, so now we're going to look at a short story on how Mother Sachi was forgiven. Okay, so what did Mother Sachi do to be forgiven? I mean, did she commit a crime? Don't know. We'll find out. Okay. So long back, when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was a little child, okay, like Madhav's age, you know, that small toddler, little boy. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was that small, what was happening? Advaita Acharya used to have, I'm saying, huh? So Advaita Acharya used to have Bhagavatam lessons in his house. So in his house, everyone would come together. Who? Can you tell me the name of the person who used to have Bhagavatam classes?
Advaita Acharya. Advaita Acharya.
Advaita Acharya.
Hare Krishna Mataji, thank you. Hare Krishna Mataji, thank you.
Hare Krishna. So Advaita Acharya used to give Bhagavatam classes. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's elder brother, Vishwaroop. What is his name? Vishwaroop. Vishwaroop. Vishwaroop used to go and attend these classes. He was so interested in learning from Advaita Acharya and in listening to Bhagavatam. So he would go every day. Okay, so Mother Sachi used to be so worried. My son, he doesn't even remember when it is lunchtime, you know. He always keeps going there. What if he takes sannyas? He is listening to so many Bhagavatam classes. She's so worried. What if he takes sannyas? What is the meaning of sannyas? Can anyone tell me?
Changing to a Brahmin. Leaving the family and thinking about Krishna.
Oh, leaving the family. Yes, not having a family. Yes, they renounce their whole family and they go in search of the Lord. They go praying, they go preaching, right? So that is what a sannyasi would do. So they are so worried. Okay, what if he's not interested in family life? So what do parents want in general? Parents want you to be happy by getting married and having children so that the parents can have grandchildren, all of that, right? That's why we are all here. Because there are people who are grihastas or people who have family. So, but you know, it says that if someone becomes a sannyasi in a family, then many generations in that family will get liberated, will be delivered. You know that? Similarly, if someone in the family becomes a pure devotee, like all of you, right? All of you sitting here are really good devotees of the Lord. But if we become a very pure devotee of Krishna, all of our family will also go back to Krishna. Okay. So, but Sachi Mata, she was always worried about this. What will happen to Vishwaroop? So she used to go, when it's lunchtime, she used to say, oh, Chaitanya, she used to ask Lord Chaitanya, Nimai, go bring your brother from Advaita Acharya's house. So Nimai would be playing in the dust. He would only have a few clothes on, and with that he would go to see Vishwaroop. So he'll go to Advaita Acharya's house and he'll pull on Vishwaroop's clothes and he'll say, come, Mama is calling for lunch. Please come. And the moment all of them see little Nimai, they would all be so ecstatic, seeing his beauty, seeing how beautiful he is, how special he is. They would all be wondering, wow, he looks like Krishna himself, right? But he's golden. Vishwarup was around 10 or 12 years only at that time. But he was so interested in listening to all the Bhagavatam that he used to go at such a small age, just like all of you. Look at you all, you're 3 years, 2 years, 4 years, 6 years, 7 years, and you're all here. 5, yeah. And you're all sitting here to listen, right? You all want to hear about Gaura Leela. You all want to hear about Krishna Katha. So, like that. So, because this used to happen, Mother Sachi used to be very disturbed. She used to always wonder, this Advaita Acharya, he is going to make my son a sannyasi. He is always going to, he's always talking about Bhagavatam, and my son is becoming so interested in this. So she was always criticizing Advaita Acharya. Who is Vishwarup? Do we know?
Balarams.
Yeah, he's a partial incarnation of Balramji. Yes. And the full incarnation is in Chaitanya?
Nityananda.
Ah, very good, Jahnavi. Nityananda.
Nityananda.
Yes. So Nityananda Prabhu is the full incarnation of Balaram. And so when Lord Chaitanya started the Sankirtan movement, whoever he sees, whomever he, meets, all of them gets love for Krishna. But only his mother was not being blessed with love for Krishna. So all the devotees felt so sad. See, Mother Sachi is such a nice devotee. She loves you so much. She serves you so nicely. She's so affectionate to you. Then why can't you make her get love of Godhead? Please, what has she? Why are you not doing that for her? So the Lord said, nope, I cannot give her love for Godhead. So they are like, why? What did Mother Sachi do? Why can't you give her love for Godhead? So he said, my mother is an offender. She did Vaishnava Aparad. Do you know what that means? Vaishnava Aparad means she committed a sin against a Vaishnava.
Vaishnava.
A pure devotee of the Lord.
Saying something to a Vaishnava.
Yes. So he said, see, my brother used to
saying something bad about the Vaishnava.
Very good. Yes, so because he was saying, when I was little and my brother used to go to Advaita Acharya's house, she used to criticize him. And I have not forgiven that. If you commit an offense against a Vaishnava, I am going to take that very seriously. She committed.
One question. Isn't Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu supposed to be always calm?
Yes, but he doesn't. He loves his devotees so much. He cannot accept anyone committing an offense against a Vaishnava. So the devotees were devastated. All of them were thinking, oh, we should somehow help Mother Sachi. So she's so wonderful. She's such a beautiful devotee. So they asked the Lord, okay, how can you help her get love for Godhead? So immediately the Lord said, she needs to go and seek forgiveness. She needs to apologize. She needs to say sorry to Lord Advaita Acharya. And if he forgives her, only if he forgives her, then I am okay. Mother Sachi, I will be able to help her. She will be able to get love of Krishna. So he went along with Mother Sachi and they both went to Advaita Acharya's house. By this time, a huge gathering came along with them. And Advaita Acharya was surprised. What's going on? Why are you all here in my house? And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, my mother has committed a offense against you. She has done Vaishnava Aparad. So can you please forgive her? She wants to beg for forgiveness also. So then Advaita Acharya was like, oh my God, Mother Sachi, no, 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 no. Mother Sachi has not offended me in any way. I am just a tiny worm. I am so insignificant. She has so much devotion. Please, she's a great devotee of the Lord and she's so loving to everybody. So he started glorifying Mother Sachi and he was feeling so ecstatic that he fainted. So what happened now? What do we see here? Mother Sachi went for forgiveness and Advaita Acharya fainted. How can he say, okay, you're forgiven, leave it? He didn't say. So now what to do? So the Lord has a solution for everything. The Lord said that if you apologize to Advaita Acharya and he did not forgive you, then what you can do? You can take the dust from his lotus feet, put that on your head, and in that way you will be forgiven. So, like that, she took the dust from Advaita Acharya's feet and put it on her head, and she was forgiven for all her offenses.
Okay.
Okay? So, I want you to think about it and give me an example of an offense. I have a picture. Okay. Let me see. Okay, Prana wants to answer. Let's see. What do you want to say? Quickly.
Well, one way is not to eat prasadam.
Not to eat prasadam?
Yeah,
What
that's
do
an
you-
offense.
Oh, an
Not-
offense. Okay.
So if someone gives you prasadam and you refuse to it,
Oh, yes. Okay, that is not nice. Okay, yes, not eating prasadam is
you asked me
offensive.
to give an example of an offense.
Okay, yes.
Can I go?
Yes, Janavi, go ahead.
Don't think bad about other people.
Oh, yes, don't say
Yes,
bad.
Mataji Balavrinda wants to go.
Okay, Balavrinda, go ahead.
Okay, I do like offense to my mom every day, so I'm praying to Krishna that
When did you commit offense to your
Not
mother?
listening to Mummy Mataji, that is what hurt me.
see, you're telling to everyone.
Okay, say that I pray to Krishna that I behave good.
Okay, I'm not saying
Now
anything.
she ran away, Mataji.
Papa. Okay, I'm sorry, Vrinda. I just found it funny. That's right. That's
Go
right.
by the raise hand order. Say
Okay,
you're
okay,
going.
okay.
Everyone raise their hand if they want to turn.
Complete. Mataji, she want to complete her sentence. Complete, Vrinda.
Complete. Where are you?
Complete the sentence. Every day, what you do?
What do you do?
Do offense to my mom. I pray to Krishna that I will be a good girl.
Oh, so sweet of you. You can do Dandavat Pranam to Amma and she will forgive you, okay? You will fall. Okay. Okay. Yes, Vrinda and Shyama.
And next is Deepak and Kaushiki. And then my oak.
Wow, you have a friend.
Mataji, she did it. Mataji, she listened to your words. Thank you.
Krishna, very nice. We missed it.
Mataji, me and Vrinda want to go.
Yes, go ahead. Shyama, you're right there.
Say this one with the thing. Give an example.
Example of an offense.
I sometimes I do a offense to my mom. But sometimes she doesn't give offense to her mom, right? But sometimes that's all. Okay. After some time then I got happy.
You'll be here. You'll be nice.
So but a little bit time I do it. When I give offense to my mom, when I give and explain of offense to my mom, she says that like when I'm brooming the floor and doing all the kitchen stuff and cleaning up my toys,
Okay.
sometimes she'll give me like she'll like give me a star, a sticker.
Oh my God, she'll be very stern. But you're doing good.
Yeah, I also broom the floor every day morning.
Very nice, Shama Gauri. That was awesome. You clean the
And
house.
I also take a bath after brooming.
Very nice. Okay, Deepak and Kaushiki. Very nice. Good. Yes, Deepak and Kaushiki. Yes. We can't hear you. Okay. I'll ask Mayuk.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Yes,
I am. Hare Krishna Mataji, it's Deepak. She's just thinking of one.
Okay, quickly tell me. What do you have to say?
Quickly tell.
Do you have something to say, Deepak? Okay, how about you both think about it and we'll come back to you.
When we
Mayuk?
don't make other people sad, forgive them, then the God will bless us.
Very nice. Yes, let's not make anybody sad. Very nice. Tushita. You want to say, Tushita? Okay.
Don't be angry.
Don't be angry, right? Don't be angry to anybody, right? Very nice. So an example of an offense is getting very angry, yeah.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Yes, Hare Krishna. Go ahead, Deepak. Very nice.
So I was thinking on my writing time in school, I would make some signs and say poor people are struggling to get food and hunger, all the things. But if I wouldn't, I'll really do a big offense to poor people. Hare Krishna Mataji,
Very nice.
Kaushiki.
Yes, Kaushiki.
When me and my brother, we don't share toys, we feel angry.
Okay, yes. So like when you both are fighting with each other. Yeah. So then yes. You're both nice Vaishnavas, right? Okay, don't fight now. Yes, meet. Yes, meet.
Excuse.
You want to say something?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Sometimes my baby hurts me. Sometimes I hurt him.
Oh my, how old is the baby?
He's 1.5 years old, Mataji.
Let's not hurt the baby, okay?
hurts
You don't want to hurt your baby. But nice. I'm so glad you recognize that and you don't want to do it. Subhadra and Giridhari.
If our house is and a devotee comes, we should respect them
You should respect the people who come to your house. You know, where Subhadra and Giridhari saw a teacher from Damodar Kids, Damodar group. I remember when you went to meet Saroja Nandini Mataji. You went to New Talawan, I think. That time you saw Saroja Nandini Mataji, right?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, and you both ran to her and hugged her. She was so happy. That's exemplary behavior. Very good behavior. Yes.
Thank you, Mataji.
Okay, so now let's move on. Thank you all for your beautiful answers. You all know everything very nicely. Just need to apply it, right? So let's see, Anjana, let's invite Anjana Gopika Mataji to take over the rhyme and shloka. Hare Krishna Mataji, please take over.
Hare Krishna everyone. Thank you so much for nice and nice realization for all the kids.
Yes, very nice realization.
Okay, we'll learn the sloka. Okay, you all repeat after me. Okay. Karpanya doso pahata svabha pritchami tvam dharma samodachetah yasrayasannisitam broohitanme Isyaste hamsadimam tvam prapannam. Okay, one more time. Okay. Karpanya doso pahata svabha pritchami tvam dharma samodachetah yasrayasannisitam broohitanme Sisyaste hamsadimam tvam prapannam. Okay, we'll go to the rhyme now. And you'll share your rhyme and sloka in the background. The 9 processes of devotional services are
The 9 processes of devotional service are
hearing, chanting, remembering,
remembering,
serving the lotus feet,
serving the lotus feet,
worshipping, praying, servantership,
worshiping, praying,
Praying,
servant worship,
seeing the Lord as a friend and surrendering.
seeing the Lord
as a friend.
surrendering. Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare
Hare
Hare, Hare Rama, Rama
Krishna Krishna,
Now we'll go to the break room and then you can practice your sloka and rhyme, okay?
I really need to practice.
Yeah, you can raise the hand. Mataji already sent the audio in the group. You can practice in the group. And also you can practice at home. I also sent the picture of the song, okay? We have already sent the, then you read yesterday first. We can let somebody, Kaushik and Madhav. Kaushik, yes, Kaushik.
Madhav is the little boy.
Where is the sloka? Hey, sorry, I did the mistake one. Okay, 1 second. I did.
Mataji, kids can go. Who knows? Who knows can do, right? Some kids already
Yeah,
know.
who knows they can go. Can you go? Can you go somebody? Yes, Janvi, see, Karpanya dosa.
Karpanyadosho Padashabhava Vishami Tundaru Samodachetaha
And then?
Samodachetaha
Yes, right.
Yashasha Nishita Brahi
Oh, 1 second, hearing chanting. Hearing chanting. Something happened, Mataji. Okay.
Oh. After
Okay,
January
1
can
second, something is happening.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
excellent.
Mataji, what
Balabrinda, you can go.
Come, Karpanya dosa.
Okay. Karpanyadosho
One second.
Prachamina-dvam dharma-sammorajedaha yashasva ishchitam bruidam meshisayasa sarimam-dam prabannam.
The 9 process.
The 9 process of devotional service. Hearing and chanting, numbering the lotus feet, worshipping deity,
Praying, servitorship, seeing the Lord as a friend and surrendering. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Ramaya, Hare Hare.
See, Mataji, Mother wants to go.
Who knows they can go because there is no PPT for today. If you want, I can put it in the group. Mataji, do you want me to put it in the group? The
Yes.
sloka and the rhyme, Mataji? Because there is some
Yes.
problem in technical today.
Hare Krishna, Mataji, can Madhav go?
Yeah, Mataji, Madhav can do without seeing
Can put
Mataji.
also.
Yeah, the shloka he can do, Mataji.
Okay, please go ahead, Mataji.
Yeah, say. Karpanya dosho. Yachri hasyanish. Yanish. Chitam.
Yeah.
Me.
I will go in the put in the rhyme group. You
Precious. Teham.
can you say somebody in the Mataji already sent in the group. But Mataji already put.
Hare Krishna Mataji, it's Deepak. Can I say the rhyme?
Yeah, somebody can say.
Hare Krishna Mataji, it's Deepak.
Yes, Deepak.
The 9 processes of devotional service
Yes, Deepak, go ahead.
remembering and chanting and remembering excuse me, Mataji. I remembering chant. Hi, mommy.
Remembering chanting.
Hearing, chanting, remembering. Something happened.
Hearing, chanting, remembering.
Something happened. I don't know. Mataji. Yeah. Go ahead. I will open the computer. Go in the computer.
Mataji, can I put in the chat? You want to put me in the chat? In the chat also we can put the sloka and rhyme, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Can I say Mataji?
Yes, Nana, you know the sloka, right? You go ahead and say. Who knows, they can say.
Karpanya.
कार्पण्यदोषोपहता स्वभावा पृच्छामि त्वां धर्मसमूढचेता यच्छ्रेयशान्निष्ठितं ब्रूहि तन्मे शिष्यस्तेऽहं चालिमां त्वां प्रपन्नम्. Can I say Shravanam Kirtanam Vishnu?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead. That's the same thing. The rhyme and the sloka is the same. Go ahead.
Singing.
Shravanam Kirtanam Vishnu Smaranam Padasevanam Archanam Vandanam Dasyam Sakyam Atme Nivedanam.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you.
Hare Krishna Mataji, it's Deepak.
Yes, Deepak, you have the rhyme on in the chat. If you want, you can see from the chat and you can say.
The 9 processes of it's fine. So let me put the chart again. The 9 here. The 9 processes. The 9. Okay, let me go up. Hare Krishna Mataji. I'm just trying to go up. Why can't I go up? The 9 processes of devotional service are hearing, chanting, remembering.
Remembering.
In Hare Krishna Mataji.
Serving the lotus feet, worshipping, praying, worship, seeing the Lord as a friend and surrendering.
Hare Krishna, Hare
Mataji, Deepak and Kaushik. Who wants to go next? Krishna?
Mataji, can Shubhadra?
Yes, Subhadra. I think you can do it from chat. In the chat it is there.
Mataji, can I go? Hare Krishna Mataji, can I go?
After Subhadra. Subhadra, go ahead, Subhadra.
कार्पण्यदोषापहतः स्वभावः पृच्छामि त्वं धर्मसमूढचेतः यक्षेरसायान् निशितान् वृतन्मे शिष्यास्त्यहं स्वादि मां तं प्रपन्याम्. The 9 processes of devotional service are The 9 processes of devotional service are hearing, chanting, remembering, serving the lotus feet, worshipping, praying, worship, seeing the Lord as a friend and surrendering. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Thank you. Now, Madhav, you can go, Madhav.
I go, Mataji, can I go?
Yes, Manmay Krishna. After Madhav, you can go, okay?
Not the 9 crosses. Yadosho pahates Vichami Tvandalmasamuyacheta Yetsayasa Nishitam Rohitame Sishasteham Salimantam Prapannam. The 9 process of devotion service are hearing, chanting, remembering,
Devotional service.
Worshipping, praying, worship, seeing the Lord loves
Friend,
loves the
friend,
friend
and surrendering.
surrendering.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Thank you, Manmay Krishna. You can go ahead.
Hare Krishna Mataji. The 9 class of our devotion of the are
Hearing,
hearing, chanting,
remembering,
remembering,
serving the lotus feet,
serving the lotus feet,
worshipping,
worshiping, praying,
survivorship,
survivorship,
seeing the Lord as a friend.
seeing the Lord as a friend,
Say louder. And surrendering.
and surrendering.
Sing Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna. Bye.
Thank you, Krishna. Can you go, Krishna, now?
Shravanam Kirtanam Vishnu Smaranam Padasevanam Archanam Vandanam Dasyam Sakyam Atmani Vedanam.
Karpanidasa. Do you know Karpanidasa?
Yes.
You can say.
Kalpanyatosho Patha Sabhavaha Chippichyanina Dhanma Samudar Chetaha Ashresha Nesitam Yorathanne Sishya
Tom.
Harivavana Pandam.
You know the rhyme?
No.
Okay.
But I
Now,
don't
yes. Thank you. No problem. Kaushik, everybody does. Yes. Now, whoever know the reading, can you go and read the translation of this sloka? Everyone, Janavi, come, Brinda, Rasika, whoever know reading it, come here. You all can read now. Come, read the translation. Whoever know. Okay. Now,
I am confused about my duty and have lost all the computer because of the
miserly
weakness condition. Now I am confused about my duty. I have lost my computer because
certain.
what is the best for me now? I am Mrs. Cyber and a soul condition. I am asking you to tell me please
Instruct me. Is there anybody is remaining who didn't get chance?
Me, Hare
Go ahead.
Mataji, it is 6:15 already.
Yes, Mataji, we can end the meeting.
Oh, okay, yeah. Once a kalpatirvesha, kripa sindhusya, patita nama pavanebhyo, vaishnavebhyo namo. Krishna Vrinda.
Anantapoti Vaishnav Vrinda ki jai, Srila Prabhupada ki jai, Hindu Mata ji ki jai, Anjana Mata ji ki jai.
Bye. Thank you. Hare Krishna.